Hello everyone, myself Rakshita. My team members are Kusma, Nisarga, and Priya. Our topic is virtual machine demonstration and comparative evaluation. Introduction. Virtualization is the process of creating a virtual version of computer hardware, storage, or network resources using software such as VMware or VirtualBox. It allows multiple operating systems to run on a single physical machine simultaneously. The main objective of this experiment is to understand the concept of virtualization, learn how to install and configure multiple operating systems on a single host machine. Compare two different operating systems, Windows 10 and Ubuntu, in terms of process management, CPU utilization, and memory usage and resource handling. Analyze system performance and understand how different OS handle multitasking and resources. Experimental setup. Components and their details. First one is host machine is Dell laptop. Processor is Intel Core i5 8th generation. RAM is 8 GB DDR4. Storage is 512 GB SSB. Host operating system Windows 11. Virtualization software is Oracle VirtualBox. Guest OS is Windows 10. Next will be continued by Nisarga DC.
Implementation setup. Installed Oracle VirtualBox on the host system. Downloaded Windows 10 ISO and Ubuntu ISO from official websites. Created two virtual machines inside VirtualBox, VM1 Windows 10 and VM2 Ubuntu. Configured each VM with CPU, RAM, and storage allocation. Install the OS using ISO files. After installation, both systems were booted and tested for functionality. Opened Task Manager, Windows 10 and System Monitor Ubuntu to analyze CPU, memory, and processes. Apps, VirtualBox, Virtual Machine, CPU 5.7%, memory 1808.6 MB, disk 0.1 MB per second, network 0, virtual box manager, CPU 0%, memory 63.9 MB, disk 0 MB per second, network 0, task manager, CPU 1.1%, memory 80.1 MB, disk 0 MB per second, network 0, Microsoft Edge, CPU 0%, memory 238.3 MB, disk 0.1 MB per second, network 0, Google Chrome, CPU 0%, memory 643.0 MB, disk 0 MB per second, network 0. Next will be continued by Priya.
Yashum Nagri. Next, observations. CPU usage in Windows 43% average and Ubuntu 45% average. Memory usage 86% usage of 8 GB and Ubuntu 72% usage of 8 GB. Disk usage 37% and Ubuntu 25%. Network usage 0 to 1 Mbps and Ubuntu 0.05 Mbps. Active processor 100 plus processor and Chrome versus Code, Word, etc. 60 plus processor Firefox and Genome System Monitor. Comparative evaluation. Usage interface GUI based user friendly and GUI plus command line interface. CPU management handles background process automatically. More manual control use terminal command. memory usage high due to high and background apps, moderate efficient memory allocation, resource handling use more resource for multitasking, lightweight and efficient. Security requires antivirus, antivirus built-in strong security features, performance suitable for office work and applications, ideal for development and networking tasks. Next will be continued by Priya.
Conclusion: this experiment helped in understanding how visualization enables the multiple operating systems to coexist on a single machine. By using the VirtualBox, we successfully installed and analyzed the Windows 10 and the Ubuntu. From the observation, Windows 10 consumes the more CPU and the memory. Due to its heavy GUI and background services, uses fewer resources and offers the more control over the processes and system resources. Ubuntu is more efficient for developers and the programmers, while Windows 10 remains suitable for the general purpose and productivity tasks. References: Ubuntu official documentation, Microsoft Windows 10 help, VirtualBox user manual, YouTube tutorials on the VirtualBox installation. Thank you.